Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and in this video I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Passat. Now, we took this in part exchange against one of our vehicles. It's got a year's MOT, which we didn't do. For full clarity, I want to show you everything that we've seen on this. We are selling it for spares or repairs only. That MOT lasts until February 2026, but I want to show you everything we've seen on this vehicle, so when you come here you know what to expect. Now, you will be expected to drive this car away using the trailer, not on the road. So that's with a trailer, not on the road. So remember that, come and have a look. Loads and loads of marks all over this car. It has done many, many miles. We don't know how many miles because the clocks have been changed. So it could be a couple of 100,000, we think. So mileage, not warranted in any way, assume moon miles. Many marks on it, stuff like this. It has had a bash there at some stage, possibly from a sheep or something that's hit it with its head. Round this side there are some scratches, lots of those. I've probably added some with my fingers there. Here there is another scratch. The wheels are in, frankly, a terrible state. There is obviously tread on the tyres because it's passed an MOT in February. Now the good news is, if you like coffee, and I really like coffee, it's got the sticker for you. I mean, that is a lovely sticker, isn't it? Dark Addiction espresso. So you can leave that on there. You could smash the window and take it out because we can't take it out. On the back, marks, many marks. We're not sure what made those. Possibly an axe. Here, there is a tow bar, definitely attached to the car. I wouldn't tow anything with it. Once you own the vehicle, you can do what you want. Over here, more scratches, possibly caused by reversing into something, which this car has definitely done at some stage, probably multiple times. Another wheel, awful condition. This side, lots of scratches. I mean, it looks like someone's cleaned it with like a road brush at some stage, so, you know, enjoy that. Here, paint coming off. That door's not opening. This door's not opening. That's because I've locked it, not because the central locking doesn't work. This wheel, also terrible, terrible condition. There's a handprint there, not mine, possibly someone, lady of the night, maybe, who knows. Come around this side, let me open the door. Central locking does work. Interior, disgusting. I mean, I wouldn't want to spend much time in it. You might. This is gross. I mean, we've cleaned this. This has been cleaned, but pretty grim. This showing many signs of wear. This still dirty. Air conditioning doesn't work. Stereo doesn't have one, but you do get these. So bonus. In the back there are some dodgy stains. I mean, I can't tell you what caused this. Possibly someone who's incontinent. I don't know. This does work though. No, it doesn't work. That doesn't work. What else does it have? It's got four doors. All the doors work. Brilliant. Thank you, Joe, because it has got a big boot. And in the boot, there are cables that have been cut off by the previous owner. Not sure, therefore, possibly one of those big ass speakers. This does work. If you want to cover up the crap that you're carrying, that's absolutely fine. Apart from that, this doesn't work. A wonderful vehicle, this Volkswagen Passat, if you're looking for something that is in, quite frankly, questionable condition. Spares or repairs only. It is available from the Clever Car Collection because we don't want to scrap it, because look at it. I mean, it's actually a usable vehicle for someone once they've fixed it and made it perfectly fine. Anyway, if you've got any questions, contact us. James@clevercarcollection.com is my email address. Website, clevercarcollection.com. And we very much look forward to enjoying a coffee with you when you come here to see this brilliant, brilliant little car. That's not so brilliant, but anyway, you know everything about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.